Best pressure washer foam cannons enhance cleaning efficiency, create thick foam, reduce scrubbing time, and protect vehicle paint surfaces effectively. My today's video is about top 5 best pressure washer foam cannons that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Tool Daily Foam Cannon. The adjustable snow foam lance is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for both home and professional use. Built with a durable 1-liter, 0.22-gallon container and compatible with pressure washers ranging from 1,000 psi to 3,000 psi, it delivers thick, clinging foam for superior cleaning performance. Its 1/4-inch quick connect fitting ensures fast and secure attachment to most pressure washer guns or wands, making setup simple and hassle-free. This foam cannon is not compatible with garden hoses or direct faucets, ensuring optimal performance only with pressure washer systems. The adjustable top knob allows precise control over foam thickness, while the nozzle setting lets you fine-tune the spray pattern for different cleaning tasks. Whether you need dense foam for car detailing or a wider spray for driveways, customization is effortless. It also includes 5 interchangeable nozzle tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, 65 degrees, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, roofs, siding, windows, and more. Overall, it's an efficient, reliable, and highly adaptable cleaning solution for deep and professional-grade washing results. Now our second product is Astro AI Foam Cannon. The wide-mouth foam cannon is a well-engineered pressure washer accessory designed for efficient, deep cleaning across multiple surfaces. Featuring a 1/4-inch quick connection plug, it ensures fast compatibility with most pressure washers operating between 1,000 to 3,000 psi. However, users must verify connector compatibility before purchase, as it is not suitable for garden hoses or direct faucet use. Its standout feature is the wide-mouth bottle design, which allows effortless soap filling without spills or waste. The heavy-duty foam core produces rich, dense foam that clings effectively to surfaces, enhancing dirt removal even in tight cracks and crevices. For best results, wax-based detergents should be avoided, and proper dilution is recommended to maintain optimal foaming performance. The adjustable nozzle and 360-degree spray rotation offer excellent control over foam thickness and direction, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, driveways, roofs, siding, floors, and windows. Built with a protective filter block and durable coupling system, it ensures long-lasting, reliable performance when properly maintained. Overall, it's a practical, user-friendly, and powerful cleaning tool for both home and automotive detailing tasks. Our third product is Amazon Basics Foam Cannon. The Snow Foam Lance is a reliable and efficient cleaning accessory designed for car, truck, and general vehicle washing. It works with a pressure washer, minimum 70 bar/1000 psi and 2.0 GPM flow, along with a compatible cleaning solution to produce thick foam that lifts dirt and grime safely from the surface, reducing the risk of scratches during washing. Built with a solid brass main body, along with durable ABS and aluminum components, it offers strong resistance to wear and long-term use. The 0.26-gallon container provides enough capacity for extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Its 1/4-inch quick connect fitting ensures fast and secure attachment to most pressure washer guns. The adjustable nozzle allows users to fine-tune foam thickness and spray pattern, from narrow jets to wide coverage, making it suitable for different cleaning needs. For best performance, users should avoid clogs by flushing with plain water after use and clearing any nozzle blockages when needed. Overall, it is a powerful, durable, and user-friendly foam lance for effective vehicle detailing and exterior cleaning. Now number 4, Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun. This pressure washer gun with adjustable snow foam lance is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for serious home and automotive detailing. It is important to note that it is not compatible with garden hoses or direct faucet use and must be connected to a proper pressure washer system for safe and effective operation. The gun features M22 fittings, supporting both 14mm and 15mm connections, making it compatible with a wide range of popular brands such as Generac, Simpson,
Ryobi, Sun Joe, AR Blue, and others. With a maximum pressure rating of up to 4,000 psi and 8 GPM flow, it delivers strong and consistent cleaning performance while handling hot water up to 60 degrees C, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The included 1-liter foam cannon with 1/4-inch quick connect ensures fast setup and thick foam generation. Adjustable controls allow precise foam mixing and spray patterns, while the 5 interchangeable nozzle tips, 0 to 65 degrees, provide flexibility for different tasks. Ideal for cars, motorcycles, roofs, driveways, siding, and windows, it offers professional-grade cleaning power and a durable, user-friendly design. And our last choice is Mikillen's foam cannon. This wide-mouth foam cannon is a thoughtfully engineered pressure washer accessory built for both performance and durability. Its wide-mouth bottle design makes soap dilution quick, clean, and spill-free, while also providing a stable base that reduces the risk of tipping during use. The translucent tank is a practical upgrade, allowing users to easily monitor remaining detergent levels. When it comes to cleaning performance, it produces thick, rich foam that enhances lubrication across the vehicle surface, helping lift dirt and grime safely while reducing swirl marks. This ensures a smoother, more scratch-resistant wash and a professional quality finish. Durability is another strong point, with solid brass and copper connectors designed to withstand high pressure without leaking or cracking. The adjustable top knob allows precise control over foam output, while the adjustable spray angle lets users customize coverage for different cleaning tasks. Compatible with both electric and gas pressure washers, it delivers consistent performance and reliability. Backed by a 1-year residential warranty, this foam cannon offers excellent value, durability, and cleaning efficiency for car enthusiasts and detailers alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.